Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to design your own business website. You're going to be designing it on GoDaddy. Just for disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by GoDaddy, but it is the platform that I use to design my own website. Hi and welcome to Baba the Accountant. I share tips and tools to help small business owners to utilize digital platforms to grow their businesses. Go into GoDaddy.com. On the GoDaddy website, you have to create a profile, or you can just go straight to web sites and hosting. That's going to guide you eventually to create a profile. If you don't have one, then you can go to website builder, and then you can click on start for free. To start there, you are going to get a trial on GoDaddy, so we can create the website and you can connect it to the domain that you already have. So if you don't have a domain, you can watch my other video on how to order a domain for 99 rands from domains. It gets to be I find that it's cheaper to get a domain from domains than it is when you buy it from GoDaddy. So I'd rather you go and buy a domain from domains. Then once you have it, then you can create your website. It's pretty easy to create the website. You can just follow along the screen and create your website. If you have any questions, please leave them down below on the comment section. I would love to engage with you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.